Hello everyone and welcome to the ReadyCert Demo. Today I will guide you and take you through ReadyCert. To begin, we are viewing the login page. You are going to sign in using your correct login credentials. You can use GitHub and Google Sign In if connected. When logged in, you will view the ReadyCert homepage. The homepage will display your current tasks, the assignment, the status, and the due date to the right. You also will view your organization shown on the left. You can configure the homepage and your organization any way you'd like using the Configure tool. You can also switch to another organization or create a new organization at the top. Under the Assessments tab, you are able to select the project, the framework, and the milestone that you would like to see. You can also add or remove columns. I will show an example. Next, we are going to look at the family AT Awareness and Training. We are going to look at requirement 3.2.1. As you can see, the compliance responses are shown over here for each requirement. Under requirement 3.2.1, you are able to edit the name, and you can see that the framework is attached as well as the requirement and guidance as well. You can add new or link new artifacts under PMO, tasks, risks, and poems. Under the repository tab, you have the ability to choose the level of access of each artifact. The levels of confidentiality range from 1 to 5, with 1 being the lowest and 5 being the highest level. The artifact title, description, type, and upload date are also listed. You can search for artifacts using the text-to-search tool. To view an existing artifact, you will click on it. The details of this artifact is shown here. If any files are attached to this artifact, you will see under here under PMO attachments or components. To close out of the specific artifact, you will hit close. Under the Project Management tab, Projects, Plan of Actions and Milestones, Project Management Office, and Milestones are listed. Under Projects, your existing project titles will be listed and organized under project name. To visit a project, click on one of the existing project names. The details of this project will appear as shown. You are able to edit details of this project, such as the project name, the color of the project, etc. You can also add new and link existing frameworks, milestones, PMO items, components, documents, and poem items as well. Under Poems, once your gaps have been discovered, create your plan of actions and milestones. Your plan of actions and milestones are your plan to identify gaps and identify milestone dates for those specific gaps. I will demonstrate a sample poem. You have the ability to fill out a detailed description of the specific plan of action and milestone. Furthermore, you can link assessment items, risks, projects, and tasks to your team members. Under Project Management Office, you can manage and add new PMOs. Here is an example. This sample in the Project Management Office illustrates the description that you fill out regarding certain details about this project. The name of the PMO, the creator, the status, as well as the area are certain details and examples that you can fill out. You can also link artifacts, projects, milestones, risks, linked assessment items, and work assignments as well. Under the Milestones tab, the start and end date of specific milestones are listed in response to the due dates of projects and gaps that need to be completed. To add a new milestone, you click on the New button. You will fill out the milestone name and make sure to realize that the star next to the milestone name means that it has to be filled out in order to successfully save this new milestone. Don't forget to hit Save before Close as well. Under the Document Wizard tab, the Document Wizard screen will look like this. Existing documents will be titled under the document title as well as the date of finalization. You can also search existing documents with the text-to-search tool, and you can add a new section by clicking on the New Section button. To view an existing document, you will click on the title to open the detail screen. This example is the policy template that is consistent with NIST policy requirements. The sections of this template are shown here. You can also add and link artifacts, projects, milestones, and tasks. Under the Analysis tab, you have dashboards and reports. The dashboard screen will display existing dashboards that are available to you to run. You can use the text-to-search tool to search for existing dashboards. To create a new dashboard, you will click on the New button. The Reports screen will display existing reports with the report's display name as well as the data type. You can use the text-to-search tool to search for existing reports. To create a new report, you will click on the New button. Here, you will fill out the report type, display name, and the data type of the report. Once created, you will remember to click on Create and then Close. Under the Components tab, you will see the Component Summary screen. To view an existing component, you will click on the component. Here, we will view the Freshdesk component. The detail screen of this existing component labeled Freshdesk is shown. The components are defined by your organization structure, footprint, compliance, and assessment scope. Defined components can be linked to projects, artifacts, tasks, and RTMs. You can also click on the New button to add new components as well as search for existing components using the text-to-search tool. Under the Risk Register tab, you will see existing registered risks. To view an existing risk, you will click on the risk register name. Here, the detail summary screen of this existing risk register is shown. You have the ability to edit and detail the specific risk on this screen. You can also link POAMs, PMO items, assessment items, and tasks to this existing risk register. Under the Task tab, the Task Summary screen will look like this. This screen will display a list of all tasks and their statuses. Color codes show the task status. As you can see, green shows a completed status, while soon-to-be due date tasks are going to be in yellow, and past due date tasks are in red. To add a new task, you will click on the New button. The task detail screen will appear that will allow you to add a new task assignment. You can also add new notes within this task and link PMO items, components, POAMs, assessment items, risks, and documents as well. Make sure that you hit the Save button before you hit the Close button when finished. A warning sign will always appear in ReadyCert if you try to hit the Save button if nothing is filled out. As always, never forget to log out once you are finished for the day. Thank you for using ReadyCert.